Morning, we're ready for Lobo Cave with our famous blogger from Samar, Boy Dangas and Province Live TV. Let's go to Lobo Cave.
Let's go!
My motorbike going to Barangay Tagbayon. Let's go. Okay, motorbiking to Tagbayon. Kaya na buy pineapple. Yeah. Oh. Pa-picture na kamo. Yung mga idol lo.
Sticker ano yun?
Waray, stickers.
Nipid niya here. So along the highway only. So we're going now there, going to Tagbayon. That's the way. Going to Lobo Cave. So just buy the pineapple. They have the sweetest pineapple here in Barangay Tagbayon. So after buying pineapple, we're going to proceed now to Barangay Tagbayon. Okay, let's go. We arrived now in Barangay Tagbayon. So we're gonna park our motorbike here. Okay, gonna logbook in Barangay. It's already at 40. I'm gonna start hiking now. Hiking, going to Lobo Cave Farm.
Yeah.
So very high. So they're farming here, a very steep slope. Yeah. So the cave just only there, the Lobo Cave Farm and the Lobo Cave. Okay, now downhill. We're near down to Lobo Farm. Arriving now, Lobo Farm. Okay, I'm gonna get the coconut. We're gonna plant the coconut here in the farm. Kanay para may energy. Pag caving. Okay, breakfast time. So we're gonna prepare now our caving gear. So other things we're gonna leave it here. So we will have our lunch here also in the farm. Nipa hut. Now the Nipa hut, so now ready for caving. So we're gear up now.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready, 100%.
Ready?
Always ready.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're near now the Lobo Cave entrance. Yeah. Entrance, Lobo Cave there. Yeah, finally. And go there for orientation. Lobo Cave.
Ready.
Let's go. Okay.
Bawa ka na din. Tunay mo kamera.
For your eyes only.
Wow. Ay, gawas na dapit. Yeah, so that.
Okay. We're going now to the wings of the angel. Okay. So, ang tawag din ay wings of the angel. The wings of the angel.
Ito na kami sa wings of the angel.
Yeah, beautiful. We're now going to the Grand Canyon. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Underground river.
Pinaka...
Over here is like a chandelier. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, there's a bat swimming there. Oh, the bat. Swimming.
Swimming ng ba? Love na pa rin. Ano hulog na ba?
Oh, nahulog. Yeah. Natural pool.
Natural pool.
Okay.
Ito sa loob ay meron dito.
Para terraces formation. Nice. Pag mga November, December, may tubig na yan. Yan ang Mahoraw. Wala tubig. So this is how we're going to Grand. So we're here na ang Grand Canyon. Beautiful. Habang clear pa, natural bathtub. Very nice.
Grand Canyon ay nakita namin itong natural bathtub. Andito na tayo. Siyempre, hindi ko pa nagpasin, no? Sasagasin!
Okay, sige. Dito tayo bababa.
Kaya mo passage?
Oh,
Diyan?
oh, dyan.
Wow! Diyan tayo bumaba.
Oh, dyan. Dyan tayo bababa. Para exciting.
Kaya to.
Exciting.
Okay.
Let's go. Nandun na yung waterfalls. Message. Pagkata na yung mga ubos, ay ikaw na lang pagtanggal. Ang harness. Kasi butang lagyan ko ng PC.
Ang violet?
Oh, okay, para mabutong ko nga di. Sige, matapos ako.
Balikar niya, balikar. Pagbilat ako.
Duhol?
Ito lang. Ayan.
Yan na?
Sige.
Ano ito no? Luwag na ako.
Oh, hello. Ayan ang waterfall. Okay. Time to pick up. Yeah. Up.
Yung lagayan. Meron pang iba, dapat lampitin natin. Dala sa labas.
Time for picking up the garbage. Yeah, many bad chamber now. There are many bad. There are many bad. Oh, I see another garbage there.
Yan.
Oh, sorry. Pick it up.
Kung mapapansin natin, marami ng basura. Papasok namin yan sa loob dito.
So, pwede the basura here.
Pwede dito sa loob.
Okay. Okay, continue picking up the garbage.
Yun o, kapalit ko taray.
Okay, ito kita. Maraming pot.
Kung alam ko ang tawag nila, dagdag ko.
Oh, kalabog mo. Another plastic. Yeah. Plastic. I'm gonna get the plastic. Yeah.
Nagliliparan sila. Kasi nagamit sila ng tao. Yun o. Grabe.
Kasi sa taas eh. Hindi ato naabot.
Ang dami nila. Ang kalambritit sa cage.
Yan, mga kahoy.
Sabihin pa,
Malaki ang tubig dito.
baka napupuno dito ng tubig.
Oo. Malaki. Kaya naano din yung mga basura.
Ang mabugot na barap ka tanggalin ko ano.
Okay, tanggal na baras para yung mabagat.
Tubig.
Tubig. The underground river. The same now here. Now underground river. Giant jellyfish. Okay. Yep. Warming up. Okay.
Mga-video na ako.
Okay, almost there.
Sayang kasi kung hindi ko ma-video.
Sige. Gawa sana eh. Yeah.
Success!
Okay. Out in the cave. Okay, out now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Up the Lobo cave there. We're gonna climb up there. On this side.
Hindi kita maagi.
Oh, likid. Dito. Ano na ako. So, here's the giant flowstone. We just leave our other things there. This is our lunch area when we go here in Lobo Cave. So now we go to the upper part. Next. Hinay. Yan, dalunot. Kaputla. Oh, kaput din.
Videoan?
Here, going up there. Okay, Talikod la. Kasi ko kanimo kuan. Ano yung imo cellphone kada na mo live base. Okay. Up. Okay. So. Okay.
Ako no sa
Okay. Terraces. Very nice. Terraces. Wala eh, love. Upper part, para masing kahit sa upper part, may tubig pa rin para makapag-swimming. Unlimited bathtub dito. Sa Lobo Cave. Oh, langoy na, kamo. Kada mo cellphone. Ako mabit. Oh,
Dapat.
yeah, nice. Natural ball. Okay, continue.
itong nasa likuran ko, ito yung tinatawag na floating stone. Since napakalaki niya, so tinatawag itong a giant flowing stone. Tinawag siyang flowing stone kasi from the word itself, para siya nag-flow, yung style, yung hugis. So, flowing stone.
Stone. Yun, giant floor, upper part of the Lobo Cave. Continue our exploration.
Yeah.
Candle stalagmite.
May stock na tubig dyan sa taas.
Waray tubig. Yeah. Candle stalagmite. Beautiful. And below there's also giant penis. And they make a dirty finger there. Oh,
Ay.
stalagmite naman.
Napakyu.
Diba?
Napakyu.
Mushroom liwat. Oh, mushroom. We go now there to the chandelier side. There, chandelier. O, di na pwede ka man namagi dida. Madala dida, ubos, para makaniman chandelier.
Mula doon sa may napakalaking mula doon sa giant flowing stone ay pumasok naman kami sa ibang chamber kung saan dito naman ay matatanaw itong mga naglalakihan o mga tinatawag na giant chandelier. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. At ito pa yung mga literal na chandelier. Chandelier sa ilalim ng kalupaan. Ang ganda.
Pwede ka pumasok sa ilalim. Yeah.
Pwede mo muna dito.
Oh, sa ilalim, yan. Yan, ganyan, para makita yung chandelier.
Nasa Palacio. This is the Palacio. And
Chandelier.
under the water, under this napakalaking mga chandelier, ang gandang tignan mo. Grabe.
Yeah.
Palacio. Ang laki. Grabe. Sila ay magtatarong tinatawag na column or pillars.
May ano pa dyan, mga mushroom ko.
Mushroom rollet. Ah, very nice. Very warm. The cave, Lobo Cave.
Mangungul mo ito,
Ah. May mga worm.
So ano po yung tawag dito? Yung parang parang
Ano ito, nadapok niya ito.
Yeah, nice.
Sudan spot kasi ni.
Oh.
Dili sa makawan.
Yeah, we're here now in the bath chamber. So this is now our last stop. Then after here, we're going back now to the exit. We go out by swimming.
Ito muna tayo sa di ba? Kakain na. Sunod na mo dito kami kumagi kunting agian.
Okay, we're back now from upper part. So we're now here gonna get pack up and ready to the exit.
So ngayon, may ibang exit ng ating, ibang yung ating kalabasan ng GDG in Transcribe.
Pero, kung kanina, pumasok kami doon.
The exit of the
Yeah,
Lobo
thank
Cave.
you, Trixplore!
Thank you
Thank
also
you,
for
Benjamin.
Boy Dangas and
Explore.
Province Live TV. Salamat
Thank
for
you.
coming Lobo Cave.
At salamat din sa pag-invite sa amin sa kakaibang adventure.
Yeah.
Okay,
Grabe.
maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay, time for lunch in the
Time
Nipahat.
for lunch.
Go. Yeah, finally the exit. Yeah, and so out in the cave. Back to the Lobo farm. Gonna have our lunch here. Okay. Pangaon. Ito, may manok pa. Wala. Yan man, no? Sige, wala. Wala sura. Para, pinya pa kami. Sweet pineapple.
Babado ako eh.
Mm. Lunch. Now we're gonna pick up some garbage there in the river. Yeah, we're gonna pick up, clean up drive again outside Lobo Cave. You see already garbage. So during flooding there, see some garbage.
Saan tayo mag-umpisa doon?
Dito. Mali, mostly pasagad niya dito. Magdaan dito. Ada man exit ang cave. Okay.
Kasi din, ano kasi yung exit.
Dito lang we start.
Mag-pulot
Clean up drive.
naman kami ng mga basura dito. Para mas mapanatili yung kalinisan ng kapaligiran.
Okay. Pick up the garbage. Yeah. Yeah. The garbage bag. Put it here. Yeah. Another one there. Yeah. Another one here. Again. Another one there. Wow. Difficult. See, there's a diaper. There's a sako here. Sako. Another plastic here. So many basura. Put it in the garbage bag. There. Many basura. Cleaning time in Lobo Cave Farm. Cleaning time. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up even plastic. There, even small plastic. Also there. Hey, dito nito. Hindi ko ang lanay. Api pa kanya to din lang kita maglimpyo. Dito api pa itong ataman. Okay. Time to the trash. Okay.
na.
Okay. Yeah. It's full already. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we just finished our pickup drive, cleaning the river of Lobo Cave. So we pick up 4 garbage.
Yes.
Nice. To the boat, so we have the garbage there. Gonna bring it to Yabong, or souvenir. Yeah.
Souvenir.
Souvenir from caving.
From Paris, pero
So now we're going for boating. So the boat waiting there in the Tingob River. Okay.
Ibayaan mo ko na di.
Oh, okay.
ano?
Oh, okay. Salamat. Get garbage inside. Okay, almost there. We're near now the boat.
Ito na.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
one
yun ay
Barca, yeah.
bangka.
Okay. Boat is there waiting for us. Gonna ride now the boat. Boating now. So we have garbage, 3 garbage here in my garbage inside. So nice. Gonna bring it that one to Catbalogan for proper waste disposal. Time after caving, boating. Just finished our cleanup drive. Thank you so much to Boy Dangas and Province Live TV for helping cleaning Lobo Cave Farm and Lobo Cave. Right now the boat. So our garbage there. Ito, nahulog. Okay. Boating time. Yeah. Boating now going to Yabong. So this is a 40 minutes boat ride. We are here inside the canyon. Nice view here. Rock formation. Oh. Magatobang. Stalactite. Yabong. Sabar na yung tulay. Okay.
Here in Yabong.
So, put our garbage. Gonna bring it in Catbalogan. Yeah, garbage there. Dangas with fans. Boy Dangas is a famous vlogger. There's many fans here. Taking a picture with the fans here in Yabong. With Boy Dangas and Province Live TV. Nice. So we're waiting for a jeepney or bus going to Tagbayaon. We're gonna pick up our motorbike in Tagbayaon. See you. Oh, may jeep na! Gotta go work here.
Sabi.
Sabit. Ayan na jeep dito. Garbage there. Going na to Tagbayaon. Gonna get our motorbike there. We're going back to Tagbayaon. Gonna hiking. Get the motorbike. Yeah. Tapos ng boating, hiking naman. Para masaya. Yeah, we're back now in Tagbayaon. The barangay hall. Our helmet, the motorbike is there. There. The helmet. Sige, salamat. Adi ka ngayon. Sige. Oo nga, palapad ka mo din eh. Sige, salamat ha. Okay, helmet is here. Okay, so we're now in the motorbike. I'm gonna pick up the garbage down there in the highway. Ron, so we see the barangay. Tagbayaon.
Tagat ka na sawang.
Kita na.
Atrito eh, atrito.
Kita na yung barangay. Kita ng Tagbayaon.
Simbahan.
Good. Lamanding na, lamanding. Oh, landing na aeroplano. Okay, picture with Boy Dangas. With fans club in barangay Tagbayaon. We're leaving now in Tagbayaon, ready for motorbiking back to Catbalogan. We're gonna pick up our bag and garbage there in the highway. Let's go. We're ready to go. We have already our garbage there. Bring it our garbage. The motorbike, souvenir. Okay, to Catbalogan, ready. There my garbage here. To Catbalogan. They're buying their piña. They're giving us pineapple there. Salamat. Tagbayaon, going na to Catbalogan. Let's go! Bye-bye. Okay. Yeah. So, nalang basura siya. Didala na yung butang. Atong souvenir. Okay. Okay. We're gonna park the motor. Alam mo sa sirang lubok eh. Mapay.
Kakaiba yung experience kayo. Damo ni mo paparigon dito nga mga natural pool. Tapos dito ko nakakita ng kuwan.
Wala
For the first time na akong kinabi worm hiya nga nagpo-producein. Kuwan bagan gagamba nga tinagyan iya pinaka ano tiya?
Ano lang, bakain kawan.
Pinagyan niya pinakasapot, di na nakakaagi. Matalino nga worm. So sulit na niya kuan kay labot ng kibing. Makaka-experience ka pa masakay ka abot. Then may hiking. Bagan kompleto iya. Diri harayo. Hara nila Catbalogan. Yan. Kayang-kaya niya kuan. Aniya.
First time. Salamat.
Salamat han pag-imbitangan.
Salamat kan Boy Dangas.
Pagupod.
Waray problema. Welcome. Sunod Central Cave kita.
Central Cave sunod.
Next time. Salamat. Bring it out. Garbage in the bag, put it there. Yeah, another one here. So later, I'm gonna throw it in the basurahan, the truck, tonight for proper disposal. Yeah. Time to clean. Thank you. See you later. They're leaving now. Boy Dangas, ang Province Live TV. Damo na salamat.
Salamat.
Okay, ingat ka mo. Take care. Next time again. Hinay. Barag na era. San Jorge. Yeah, hinay ka mo. Next time again. Damo salamat. To our famous vlogger in Samar. Boy Dangas, ang Province Live TV. Yeah, okay. Ingat ka mo. Bye-bye. Damo salamat. Garbage truck. Gonna pick up now the garbage. There. So for proper waste disposal.